That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet. And popping my head out of the sunroof of the Vagrant's Valet command vehicle makes me feel like legendary World War II five-star General George S. Patton popping his head out of one of those legendary Sherman tanks as he advanced in 1945 on the Rhine River. That's right. And like George S. Patton, we're on a mission today, but our mission is to help out some homeless folks, some down and outers, to find out, to help out the down and out. Now, let's get to work. Come on, boys. Hey, man, you doing all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. It could be better.
Yeah? You need a lift somewhere?
Yeah.
What do you got going on?
Nothing.
What do you got in your hands?
Vape and some shampoo.
Oh, okay. Hop on in, brother.
Lighter.
Yeah, I hear you. All right. What's going on the streets?
Maybe not any different.
You want a bottle of water or Pepsi?
Yeah.
All right.
Straight Pepsi. Okay.
Yeah. Where are we heading?
If you could take me to Red Ash Liquor Store, whatever it's called. Red.
Oh, okay.
Red.
I'll take you wherever you want to go, bud.
Liquor stores. Any liquor store.
What are you getting? You kind of thirsty?
Yeah. I'm in pain.
What are you in pain about?
I'm not sure. It's a mental or some of it's physical.
What? Well, lay it on me. How long you been feeling this way?
Oh, for a minute.
Yeah? Well, you been taking drugs?
Not really.
Those drugs, well, you got to watch out for that fentanyl. Every time I turn on the TV, I hate to sound like an old man giving you. I hate to sound like an old man giving you a lecture, bud.
Yeah, I gotta watch out for the people that are sneaking around in the bushes trying to stick you with it too.
Yeah.
That's some serious stuff.
Where did you sleep last night?
I believe I don't remember.
Were you over at the mission, or were you outside, or?
It was outside.
Oh.
I think I stayed at the mission, but then
What was happening at the mission? Did you get a good night's sleep?
I don't believe I did.
Well, were people rowdy all night?
I can't remember right now.
Oh.
I don't know what's going on with me. I really can't remember.
What, have you talked to your family?
Yeah, some. A little bit.
What'd they have to say?
Not much. Oh man. Zuckenbacher.
What was that?
Zuckenbacher.
What?
That's your name, right?
Well, my name's Zook. Yeah. Although I guess it could be Zuckenbacher. You know, everybody like shortens up their name or changes their name.
Yeah, longing it up a little bit.
You know, like Ringo Starr.
Mm-hmm.
His name is Richard Starkey. That kind of thing.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that.
And Gene Simmons, the guy from Kiss.
Yeah.
He was actually born in Israel. He was born in I don't know. I guess Tel Aviv.
Oh. Awesome.
And his name is like Chaim, but he wanted to make it as a rock and roll star.
Right.
So those guys all changed their names.
I can't go in that way. They didn't sell it to me in there without an ID.
Where, the liquor store?
Yeah.
Well, like I said, you just point wherever you want to go.
Oh.
Have you tried sobering up a little bit?
Yeah, I think I did. I'm sober. Been sober all day.
Well, why don't you just go back instead of instead of going to the liquor store, why don't you go back to the mission and get a good night's sleep? But if you want me to drop you off at the liquor store, I'll drop you off wherever you want to go.
You're right. Getting a good night's sleep is probably a better idea.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. I'll take a I'll take a ride up here and run you up.
But if you would, there's a place right to stop, which is a liquor store. It's down the hill.
Okay.
Across from the let's see.
You just point the way and I'll take you wherever you want to go, just like I promised.
You didn't promise me that, but you did tell me that. Promise me.
Well, I think you need a friend a little more than you need a drink, but and I can't help you with a drink, but I can help you with a friend. So that sounds pretty cool, doesn't it?
Need a friend.
I know
More than a drink.
I know I can use all the friends I can get. And I need everybody needs all the help they can get. And don't forget about the big boy upstairs. You didn't make it to church this morning? You didn't make it to church this morning?
Who said that?
Well, I don't know. Did you go to church?
I don't know.
Oh.
Did somebody tell you something I need to know about?
No, I was just asking you. Because like I said, you need a friend, the big boy upstairs. He's a real good friend. So, but like I said, I'm not trying to give you any lectures. I'll take you wherever.
Well, I'd say like he is a great friend. Very great friend.
And your name is?
I got a friend in Jesus.
Well, there you go.
Something like that.
Yeah, a little acapella here. Why not?
Well, that's how the church that they tried to brainwash me with the
Who tried to brainwash you?
Church of Christ.
Well,
But they taught me something.
I bet they were nice people.
Yeah, they're nice people.
Well,
They're successful in there.
you want me to stop here, or do you want me to take you to the mission?
Pretty sure this is it right here, ain't it?
Well, okay.
Is there a liquor store right here?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
Oh no.
All right. Well, when you see me out on the streets, I want you to flag me down, okay? I'll help you whatever way I can. Okay?
You got a couple dollars?
No, like I said, I don't have any money.
You got any valuables I can sell? Let me see. What you got in your glove box? Let me open
No,
what you got in here?
I got a Diet Pepsi and I got a water.
I can get some out of these inline skates here.
Well, what am I going to skate with then?
Just give me your shit.
Okay. All right. I want you to look for me. Okay. Hey, the handle on the door works now.
Did I just use it?
Yeah.
Well, all right.
You got your stuff
That's
here.
awesome. I don't have stuff.
You got your shampoo and the stuff you had in your
I
hand.
did have shampoo. You're right. It fell out of wherever I had it at.
Okay. Look for me in the future. I'll give you a ride. I'll be happy to help you with whatever problems are on your mind.
I have.
You all set? Okay, bud.
I'm pretty dusty. What the?
You got all your gear?
Is this one? Probably not.
No, it's not. That's yours. So.
No, it's probably some college kid that dropped it out of their car.
All right. Well, there's another. There's a little, I think, lack of sobriety going on there. But hey, we tried. He's got some problems. He's got a lot on his mind. Younger guy. I don't think he's. I'd say he's maybe 32, maybe 35 at the oldest. So the good news is he's young and still has a chance to get off the streets and get things turned around. So we're going to be looking for him in the future. And hey, if you like the cut of my jib, you know what to do. Give me a like, subscribe, leave me a message. I love comments. I love commenting on comments. So thanks for watching, everybody, and ding ding.